Baby Yoda, when you came from the planet Type Pussy, what did you find? I heard their fried Oreos are amazing.
Yes, that was the best planet I've ever been to. I swore I had a lot of fried Oreos.
Oh yes, I love to swallow them in my mouth. Can you please bring me back some next time? And don't forget the double stuff.
Wait, I never said anything about swallowing. You're a freak. Do you hear yourself right now? I don't know what to do. I'm just bored.
Okay, eat my fucking pussy.